Hello, dear kiddos. Hope you all are doing good. So, today we are going to see part 8. So, we are discussing PYQ NEET 2024 question paper, and the paper code is R1. Let us begin the marathon. Here goes the first question. What are the stages of cell division? Gap 2 phase, cytokinesis, synthesis phase, karyokinesis, gap 1 phase. Choose the correct sequence of stages from the options given below. EBDAC, BDEAC, ECADB, and CEDAB. What do you think is the right set of sequence? Very simple, right? You're learning cell division from the grade of 8. Come on, your time starts now. Fast, fast, children. Yes, very true. The answer is ECADB, right? The gap 1 phase, and then the synthesis phase, and then the gap 2 phase, and then the karyokinesis, and then the cytokinesis, right? So ECADB. I have added the answer explanation. You can go through that. In both sexes of cockroach, a pair of jointed filamentous structures called anal cerci are present on 10th segment, 8th and 9th segment, 11th segment, 5th segment. What do you think? Your time starts. Ready, everybody? 3, 2, 1, right now. Yeah, the answer is 10th segment, right? So, in the cockroaches, if you see, the anal cerci are a pair of jointed filament like structure found in the 10th abdominal segment. Okay, these sensory organs help the cockroach detect air movements and vibration in the surrounding. Okay, yes. So match list 1 and list 2. List 1, you have fibrous joint, cartilaginous joint, hinge joint, ball and socket joint. Hinge and ball and socket joint are very familiar, right? Try to match at least that if you find AB difficult. List 2, adjacent vertebrae, limited movement, humerus and pectoral girdle, rotational movement, skull do not allow any movement, knee help in locomotion. Come on, children, such a simple thing. Everybody knows about hinge and ball and socket joint. You have to just think a little more for fibrous and cartilaginous. Your time starts. 3, 2, 1 right now. Come on, kiddos, you can do it. Yeah, so the answer is, children, fibrous joint, where can you find? In the skull. Immovable joint it is, okay. And cartilaginous joint, if you see, in between the vertebrae, the adjacent near to near vertebrae, you can find that, and the movement is very limited. Hinge joint, right, you can, the movement is possible only in one direction. So the answer is knee, okay. Ball and socket, the very famous. So you have the humerus and the pectoral girdle. Yes. Yeah. So the answer is option C, A3, B1, C4 and D2. Next one, which of the following is not a steroid hormone? Testosterone, progesterone, glucagon, cortisol. Which is not? There is a not in the question. Your time starts now. Okay, so the answer is glucagon. What is it, children? Glucagon. So it's a peptide hormone, right? All others are steroid hormone. Look at that. Yeah. Yes. Following are the stages of the pathway for conduction of an action potential through the heart. AV bundle, Purkinje fiber, AV node, bundle branches, SA node. Choose the correct sequence. Again, this is very simple, right? The electric conduction in the heart. AECBD, BD, EADBC, ECADB. What do you think is the right flow? Your time starts. 3, 2, 1 right now. Come on, 3 seconds left. Your time is up. So children, which is the natural pacemaker here that actually produces the signals, right? SA node. So from the SA node, it goes to the AV node. From AV node to the AV bundle. So what is SA now? Sinoatrial. AV is atrioventricular, right? So SA to AV node to AV bundle, and then the bundle branches, and then the Purkinje fibers. Correct? Simple. That's the correct sequence. SA node to AV bundle, and then the bundle branches and the Purkinje fibers. Match list 1 and list 2. List 1, you have non-medicated IUD, copper releasing IUD, hormone releasing IUD implants. What is IUD, children? Intrauterine contraceptive devices. Yeah, IUCD also we say. List 2, multi-load 375, progesterone, lipase loops, LNG20. So come on, you have to match this. Yeah, choose the correct answer from the options given below. Your time starts. 3, 2, 1 and right now. Yeah. Okay. Student, the answer is C. Non-medicated IUD. The best example is going to be lipase loops. Copper releasing, the very famous multi-load 375, right? The copper T and all. Hormone releasing IUD. Definitely LNG20, right? And what hormone does it release? It slowly releases levonorgestrel. Okay, so it matches with the hormone IUD. And implants, the rod inserted under the skin that releases progesterone. Okay, so this is the answer. Which of the following is not a natural? Not natural or traditional, not a traditional contraceptive method. Periodic abstinence, lactational amenorrhea, Wall's coitus interruptus. Your time starts 3, 2, 1 right now. Natural, not artificial. Okay, which is not a natural, which means they are asking you which is artificial. Okay, think and answer. Walls is one of an artificial contraceptive, right? Like diaphragms and loops and all. Whereas periodic abstinence, if you see, is a method where a couple avoids sexual intercourse during fertile period. During the ovulation, they're avoiding the sexual intercourse. That is periodic abstinence. Lactational amenorrhea is the breastfeeding phase, right? Where the natural infertility occurs, correct? And the ovulation is suppressed during that phase. And then coitus interruptus is nothing but the withdrawal method, right? Where the male withdraws his penis before ejaculation. And now, the next question. Which one of the following is a correct product of DNA dependent RNA polymerase? Be careful and give the following template. Yeah, you have 3' to 5' end. So, correctly pick the answer. A, B, C, D, all are 5' to 3'. Okay, and you just pick the complementary strand. Simple. 3, 2, 1, right now. Just pick the correct complementary strand. Very simple, no? Very, very simple. So 5' to 3' end, that's fine. So you can see TACA. So it's going to be it's going to be AUGUA. So AUGUA. So you can see D and B are still the same until which point? So here you can see GGG in B and here you can see GGU. Now find which is correct. So for which they are saying GGG here? The complement for CCA is GGU, which is option D. Okay, so it's very simple. The answer description is also added. Which one of the following factors will not affect the Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium? Genetic drift, genetic migration, constant gene pool, genetic recombination. Very simple, your time starts now. Which will not affect is the question. Okay, the answer is constant gene pool, children. Now look at this now. What does in Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium states? That the allele frequency remain constant if no evolutionary forces act on the population. Now if you look at the factors like genetic drift, gene migration and genetic recombination, these are the factors which will disturb, right? These are the evolutionary forces acting on the population. But a constant gene pool keeps the allele frequency stable. Correct? Only these factors are absent, the population remains in the genetic equilibrium. Okay, so a constant gene pool is the answer here. Right? Match list 1 and list 2. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. List 1, you have cocaine, heroin, morphine and marijuana. List 2, effective sedative in surgery, cannabis sativa, erythroxylum, papaver somniferum. So come on. Look at the options and match list 1 and list 2. Your time starts 3, 2, 1 right now. And the answer is C. A3, cocaine, erythroxylum, from which it is being extracted, right? Whereas heroin, if you see, is chemically made from morphine. Morphine itself, if you see, it is coming from papaver somniferum, right? Which the somniferum is widely known as opium poppy. Yes, and marijuana is well known psychoactive drug that is derived from cannabis sativa. Okay. Yes, so that was the last question for part 8. I hope you all enjoyed the session. And for any queries, you can feel free to contact hdlaunch@gmail.com. And if you like the video, do subscribe, share, and comment. Tata, bye bye, take care.